Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2020 video tutorial. I want to do the fixture exercise now in Inventor. So, let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the which plane. I want to do the top view first, so that's this plane. And yeah, that profile could look something like this. And close. No, not close. Do it like that. Okay. I will need some construction lines just for better control. Like this, and put those two into construction mode. Okay. Give it a dimension here, and that should be 230. That distance might be 100. This distance 75. Okay, obviously I didn't snap. Okay, now another dimension here, that might be 90, and this might be 40, and there should be a parallel constraint between those two. Okay, now that point should be on that line. Let's adjust this a little bit. Maybe like this. There. Okay. Finish that sketch. And let's make an extrude. So not all, but many of those tools have been modernized or just changed for the better or worse, I don't know. So I want it to be, let's say, 100 millimeter, and confirm. Let's do some fillets, maybe 25 right here, over there, apply, and 20 on this one and that one. Okay, let's rename this one and call this one top view. Okay, next another sketch. Now it should be the XY plane. No, it's the YZ plane, and this could look something like this, and of course you can't see it because you have to cut the graphics. Okay, this might be aligned 40, this might be aligned 40, and the distance from here to that point could be 225. And let's zoom in. This distance might be 5, and those 2 points should be aligned. So there's a problem. Maybe these are somehow, yeah, it is, happens. Now move this over here, this a little bit up, this a little bit up, maybe like this. Yeah, that's okay. Finish that sketch. Now let's make an extrude. The profile would be that sketch. Still not possible to select the sketch here. That's odd. You have to select it here. I want to go for not a solid but a surface. They changed this up there, and here are options which are kind of strange to put. It's kind of strange to put options here, relevant options. So select this, go for symmetric, and let's see, make it 200. And confirm. Now let's thicken this. Thicken. Quilt. Output should be this one. So they didn't change all the dialog windows, but only some of them, and that's really annoying. Change all of them or none. Really? So it should be 5. And okay. And so that thicken should be a new body. And rename this one to side view. Add fillets. The 21s are here, there, and here. Apply 25 on. Let's hide the surface body. Still not possible inside the command. They should change some very important stuff and not just optics. I'm really annoyed with that new look. Okay, here you go. 25 on this one, that one, and this one. Okay. Now I can go for an intersection. So let's go for combine. I want to intersect. The base should be the top view. This one. Keep the tool body, and the tool body is this one. Okay. I need another sketch on the XZ plane. And this might look something like this. Again, cut the graphics or just move to the bottom view. So this point should be on that line. Now adjust this a little bit. So if I turn it around, it will be, finished sketch. Let's make another extrude with this one, make it 100, and of course it should be a new body. So they changed this window. That's really odd, and that would be new solid. Okay, now make a fillet, make it a full round fillet, side face, center face, side face. Okay. And rename this one to slot. And now remove that from this combine, go for cut. The base would be this one. In this case I don't want to keep the tool body, that's the tool body, and OK. Add fillets, first 10. Also this is not an improvement to mark those edges with yellow dashed lines. Apply and then go for, let's say, 3 mm on that edge and see if it works. Seems so, and confirm. Let's do the shell. Where's my shell? Here it is, shell, and I want to shell it with 1 mm, and this face should be removed. Okay. Now for my holes I will use work points. So go for point and use center point of loop of edges. Right here, there's a work point. Repeat that, center point of loop of edges here, and once more center point of loop of edges here. Now I can do holes on that points. Let's go for a hole right there, make it 10 mm, 10 mm, or of course you could go to through all, no to next, no to next, drop down, not icons, distance, through all 2, you can switch this, and the direction I use as direction that face, and the solid would be this one, of course, like this. Go for that point, this direction, that solid, plus point, face as direction, this solid, and OK. Nice. You can change your view from balanced to, that's a new option, to high quality, so it looks like this, or maybe performance looks like that. But I want to see my edges, so we'll go for balanced. Okay, let's go for the bead. Therefore, we'll need a sketch on the YZ plane. Yes, and this might look something like this. Change that line to a center line and maybe move this up a little bit, maybe like this. Okay, finish that sketch. Now let's make a revolve, again a new look, and I want to have a new body and confirm this. Now I want to rotate that body and then move it, so go to modify, move bodies, click here, go for rotate about a line. I want to rotate this body. Okay, rotation axis should be the y-axis, and then you can grab it here, right there, and move it to the position you want it to be. Of course, it would be better to first move it and then rotate it, but I did it in all the programs like this, so I don't want to change it. So go for apply, then go to move along ray. Therefore I would have to select a ray, a direction. Direction would be the x-axis, and the body would be, that's the body. The direction would be the x-axis, and now move it over here. Take a look. Okay, that's too far, so move it a little bit back. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. Great. Those commands should of course happen before the shell, so I will drag them before the shell command and make the shell, the move body command before the shell, the active one. You could do it with right click and move end of part marker up there. Now I want to trim that bead with that surface. So I forgot to rename that solid. Let's rename it to bead. Okay. Now in order to split or trim that solid I need a face. Therefore I will go to, where is it, thicken offset. I want to thicken offset a face. Result should be a face. Distance should be 0, and I want to offset these faces, and okay. Now I could use that surface to trim that body. So go for split, select trim solid, select the split tool, that would be that surface, and the solid would be this one. And I think it's the other way around. Yeah. Now hide that surface, and this will be difficult right here. I should move it a little bit. Go to the move body and move it a little bit, let's say minus 71 or 72, 72. Yeah, that's better. And now we could, of course, combine those two bodies. I don't want to keep the two bodies, so I will use this one and that one. Okay, now let's go for fillet. Maybe 2, let's see if it works. Yeah, it works, okay. And now move that end of part to the end, move EOP marker, and I should be done, and I am. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more subscriptions and likes over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.